Hello everyone. In this video you will learn how to use or navigate an app called Speak and Translate. But before we get into it, please like and subscribe to my channel to keep videos like these coming. The amazing thing about this app is you can speak what you want to translate into it and it will translate it back to you. It will help you communicate with speakers of other languages in the fastest and easiest way possible. After you click on the app, you will be brought to this screen where at the top you will see a little yellow icon with an uppercase A and a Chinese either word or letter bouncing in and out the screen. If you click on this, you will be brought here. On this page, if you notice there's a flag of different nations in each circle. That's a language you'll be translating from and to and vice versa. You can change it to whichever language you'd like. Also, if you click on the language name, for example, English, that's below the flag, you will see a drop-down box showing you the names of different languages to choose from. Select the one you want to translate from and to. There should be 60 to 64 language options to choose from. When the reverse button is pressed, the language on the left will be reversed to the language on the right, and if pressed again, it will be reversed back to the previous. The four icons below in the white box window are: 1. The trash can icon, which also can be labeled as delete, is for deleting the texts inserted in the white box window. The share icon, where when selected, gives you the option to send your translations to your email, through text messages, through WhatsApp, or other apps on your phone. The copy icon, which when selected will copy the text displayed in the window and you can paste that text in your memo pad or other apps. The speaker icon, when pressed, will speak the word or sentence inside the window back to you. At the top of the screen where you see this back icon, if you click on this, it will take you back to the previous screen where you will see this page and this drop down menu icon in the top right. After clicking on this, you will be greeted with these four options. 1. Notifications. Me personally, I keep notifications off and suggest you also do the same, but that's up to you. 2. We have the clear option, which when the screen is populated with information, like this here, if you select it, it will clear everything to a clean page. 3. Now the About Us button, when selected, tells the version of app you're using. And 4. We have the Rate Us button, which gives the option to write a comment about your experience with the app and also to give it a 1 or up to 5-star rating. If you go back to this main screen where it says right here, you can type whichever word you would like to translate, then click on this translate icon and it will be translated and spoken to you. If you click on the mic icon on the bottom left, you will have to say the word or sentence you're trying to translate in the language selected, which is right next to the mic. For example, dance, which is an English word, must be said through the English mic, which in my case is on the left side. Now, if you'd like the app to speak back to you, try this example. Insert the word dance into the right here section down below, then click on the translate icon on the upper bottom right. You will see the word or sentence and translation above, like in this segment of this video, and it will be spoken back to you. To repeat the spoken word or sentence, click on the drop down arrow indicated by the red circle on the top right. Then click on the volume icon indicated by the red circle, and the word or sentence will be repeated to you. Now, if you find this information informative, please don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and tap the bell so you'll be notified every time I post a new video. And as always, live, laugh, and show some love. Peace.